Hey everybody, it's Hunter. As I'm sure you can understand, I'm trying to grow the channel. So if you wouldn't mind, leave a like down below if you like the video, leave a comment if you want to share a story or say hello, and subscribe if you want to see more content from me and help me spread my message. Thank you very much, and enjoy the video. How we doing, ladies and gentlemen? Been a little while since I've filmed. This is going to be kind of a test with my new camera equipment, see how it all goes. But I think today, we're going to go get us something short. Let's do a quick little run from New York to New York. Hopefully the leaves are nice and changing pretty colors the further north we go, so we'll have something pretty to look at. I've never been this far north in New York, up by the Vermont border, so I'm really interested to see what we're gonna run into. Let's go! You get into these little bitty towns in the Northeast, it gets to be real tight. Some of the clearances are kind of scary. Like, they cut it close with what they're labeled as, and when you go under it, you just have to trust that it's what they said it was. That's pretty cool. See those big C-130s over there? There goes a plane. Perfect. The perfect turn. And they said Bruno's and big old letters on their building. There it is. They said we can just sit on the side of the road with our flashers on. Here we are. Bruno.
What's up? I'm Bruno.
Oh, it's another ATS driver. Neat. Alright, now we wait. What would a Rain Man video be without a little rain? That crazy. It rained for a little bit and then stopped, so just chilling, waiting on that truck right there to finish. We'll get in there and get loaded. Alrighty. Help the other driver get her portion of the load done. So it turns out there's two parts to this load. One is the machine itself, which she has. Yes, it's a female driver. She's got the machine and it's an oversize. And then I will have the parts. So you can see her there, she's pulling out now. She's gonna give me enough space so I can swing in there. And we'll try and get backed in. It don't look like it's gonna be that easy. look at that thing. Probably about 9 feet wide. It ain't that big, but it pays good. Starting to rain again, but I'm here, so we should have known that was going to happen already. It's going to have to be blindside. Don't see any other option, so fun in the sun, whatever. Try and get the trailer pointed in the right direction. I'm getting wet.
That's what she said.
Oh no. She didn't want to have in reverse there for a second. Alright, let's see what we can do. Try and swing around all this shit. I can't see anything out of my mirror because it's covered in water spots. Or I'm just guessing. I don't know what is happening on that side. I can't see it. Oh god, I'm getting soaking wet.
That's what she said.
Cannot really see him. I'm completely going off of his judgment. Trying to look through the rain. All right, there we go. Everything's soaking wet. Heavens to Betsy. All right, let's get loaded. Probably the taller part towards the back. I always use the cold water. Thank you so much. Come my way. Yeah, that ought to do it. And then I'll just kind of guide it. Oh, they're right there. Try and shimmy that backside in just a little bit. Hey, that'll work. That'll do if you want to go ahead and set it down. There we go. Perfect. Good. Yeah. Yeah.
I want to film my windshield. Out my windshield. You can see the places to go.
I do that too. I have a whole YouTube channel.
Do you?
Mm-hmm. It's called Rain Man the Traveler. This pallet out of spite just makes me want to go to Wendy's. Do not double stack.
Double stack.
Now this one we got to be weary of because there's parts that stick out.
Yep.
We may not be able to do it sideways now that I'm looking at it because I'm over the side of the trailer here. It's going to be weird, but
It's your trailer. You make the call.
yeah, I want to spin it. I just don't.
Oh, what you need?
Yeah, I was pushing it away. These pieces right here, one sticking out, and two, they're gonna hit the edge of the tarp and just tear it to shreds. Bingo. And if anything goes wrong, y'all loaded it. Cages, motor, cages, guards, whatever they are. And then this stuff goes on that thing, goes through the machine that she has, and it stamps it out. Comes out of that side, out of that thing, and it's a finished product. And then that does something. But this is complicated to tarp, complicated to secure, but it pays good. So that's all that really matters. Can you bring it to the right? Yeah, and then start bringing it down, and then I'll drape it over the sides.
Our copies. You guys are going to be going that way.
Headed north. From there. Clear. Now comes the hard work.
Wendy's?
Yeah, getting 160 pounds of canvas to fit tightly around a bajillion different size things. I should have done this tarp first. This is the ugly one. Should have put it on the back.
Nobody's looking.
I'm looking. Well, boys and girls, it took so long to load that we're sleeping at the shipper tonight. Turns out this load is kind of a combination of a few different things. It is the machine itself, which is a stamping machine, and it presses out like predetermined dies out of a big roll of material, whatever it may be. In this case, I think it is waterproofing material for like faucets and other bathroom fixtures, things of that nature that need to be watertight. So the other driver that's doing the load with me, she has the machine, which is an oversized load. It's like a little over 9 feet wide. And then I have everything that goes with the machine. I have all of the racks and the guards and the pieces and parts and this, that, and the other. Both of them had to be fully tarped, and well, we did our best. We worked as a team. When I got here, they were just getting ready to put her tarp on. So I went in, I helped her tarp. Then she came out here and parked. I went in the door, or in the bay, because it's like you pull up into the warehouse, as I'm sure you saw previously. And she helped me do everything as well. She helped me tarp and throw straps and feed this and that and throw the blankets over the sharp bits, because it's a really complicated load and it needed to be tarped. And there's so many sharp edges that if you just throw your tarp down, you'll tear the hell out of it as soon as wind starts hitting it. So as you can see in the footage previously, it's really funky and complicated. It's a lot of different shapes and sizes and this, that, and the other. But yeah, she helped me do everything as well. So if you ever needed proof that there's women that can do this job just like a man can, she's proven it. She did everything I did. Throwing tarps, throwing chains, you know, whatever. So yeah, we're chilling here. I'm gonna get some sleep and we'll hit the road in the morning. See you then.
Next time on Rayman the Traveler.
It's so beautiful up here, but that machine up there, yeah, it ain't supposed to be all the way on the right side of the trailer. We're only 1.3 miles away, but that thing shifted, and it shifted hard. It was supposed to be positioned this way, not the way that it is. They put it on there sideways.